Installing the Valorant server timeout fix for 2025 can help improve your gaming experience by addressing connection issues. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth installation process. Step 1. Download the update. Visit the official Valorant website or trusted gaming forums to download the latest server timeout update for 2025. Ensure that you are downloading from a reliable source to avoid malware. Step 2. Close Valorant. Before proceeding with the installation, make sure to completely close the Valorant game and any related processes running in the background. This ensures that the update can be applied without any interruptions. Step 3. Run the installer. Locate the downloaded update file and double-click to run the installer. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to complete the installation process. Make sure to accept any terms and conditions presented during the installation. Step 4. Restart your computer. After the installation is complete, restart your computer to ensure that all changes take effect. This step is crucial for the update to properly integrate with your system. Step 5. Launch Valorant. Once your computer has restarted, open Valorant to check if the server timeout issue has been resolved. Test your connection and gameplay to confirm that the update has successfully improved your experience. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully install the Valorant server timeout fix for 2025. Enjoy your gaming.